Good morning, everyone. This is CJ, and I want to share with you a project that I've just completed. Shelley over at Your Paper Pantry, that's yourpaperpantry.ning.com, is a coordinator of the swap that's the 75% challenge, in which we are given pieces of different things such as paper and ribbon and trim, and we're to create something from what she sends us. So let me go ahead and give you an idea of what's going on here. I have this little book that I've created, and I'll go through and show you what was given to us and what I've supplied. Now, this cute little picture here on the front is one that was supplied, along with this blue background picture, which is also on the back. This picture was part of the little newsletter that she sent, and I just love these little footprints in the puddle. They're little boots in the puddle, and decided to go ahead and use that too. These raindrops on the front and back were also part of the supplies. This ribbon and this bow is part of the supplies. Okay, and then in opening this, I put in the different sheets that say today on it for possibly just a list of things you might want to remember, maybe quote of the day, just things that just randomly come up in your life that you want to take and notate. Okay, this blue paper was given, along with this blue paper. The dogs and cats were part of the must-use group. The clouds were something that was in the packet. And on here I put, it's raining cats and dogs. Added a little bit of glitter. And actually the clouds are something that I turned over and used the other side of. The flowers like this that you see are ones in which I've punched out pieces from the scraps that were left. The pieces like this are ones that I have added. Now on this page, this was part of the package supplies, and then this clear type material, I did not see that until I got ready to check the supply list again that was in the Ziploc bag. And after I had this pretty much done, I found a sheet of this, which actually it looks kind of like this, only it's like a 6x6 sheet. And at that point I'm going, goodness, I don't know what to do with this. I went ahead and created some cute little tags like this, and it also helped create the pocket. So I did find a use for it. The umbrella and the boots, and here again the dog and cat, that was part of the supply. Now this paper was not. I added that one. This was part of the supply. I added this little doily and a little tiny stick pin. And then here's the back. The brown paper on the edge is something that I added. And it came together real nice. I like the way it turned out. I used the stack the deck method for putting that together. And if you look on YouTube, just put in stack the deck and you'll find all kinds of examples of how to do that. But basically you've got paper that's folded, scored, and then you just start putting it together like this. and like this, and then you can take envelopes or just paper and slip it over the top, and it comes together real nice as a little book. This is basically what I had left over from the supplies. These sheets were, I believe they were 6 by 6, and that's what was left of the trim. I didn't have any of the raindrops left, and this is what I added, this piece right here, and this for the edge. The idea was to complete your project, and it said each participant will create at least one paper craft item of their choice, but 75% of your finished item must, and I think it should be must be made, B was left out, of the supply items, plus any items marked as must use. Okay, and that was where I found it a little bit difficult, because I wanted to use as much of the supplies that was given to me, but at the same time didn't want to overload it with things that I added. For example, the little flowers was what I added. Okay, flower. This particular paper here. The doily and the pen, and then the actual bones of the book, to create it. So I like it. I think it came together real well. I hope that when these are swapped out, that my partner will also like it. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. Interested in any type of swaps or challenges, you need to head on over to yourpaperpantry.ning.com, and we'll join you there. You have a great day. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.